We're going to explain how to fix the execution failed for task a processDebugMainManifest error in Flutter projects. This frustrating error usually pops up during the build process, preventing you from running or building your app. Let's break down the common causes and solutions. 1. Gradle issues. This is often the root cause. Gradle is the build system Flutter uses, and problems with its configuration or execution can lead to this error. First, try cleaning your project. In Android Studio, go to Build, Clean Project, then Build, Rebuild Project. This forces Gradle to refresh its understanding of your project files. 2. Incorrect or missing dependencies. Check your write single quote pubspec.yaml. Write single quote file for any typos or missing dependencies. Even a small mistake in dependency declaration can throw this error. Make sure all your packages are correctly specified, including versions. After making any changes, run Flutter pub get to fetch or update your dependencies. 3. Problems with the Android SDK or NDK. The Android Software Development Kit, SDK, and Native Development Kit, NDK, are crucial for building Android apps. Make sure both are properly installed and configured within Android Studio. Check your SDK Manager, Tools, SDK Manager, and ensure all necessary packages are installed, including the correct build tools and NDK versions compatible with your project's requirements. Sometimes, updating the SDK or NDK can solve the problem. 4. Java or Kotlin issues. The Android build process relies on Java or Kotlin. If you have issues with your Java or Kotlin installation or configuration, incorrect Java version, path issues, this can disrupt the build. Verify your Java or Kotlin installation is correct and the paths are properly set in your Android Studio settings. 5. Insufficient disk space. A simple but often overlooked reason. The build process requires considerable disk space. If you're running low on disk space, the build might fail. Free up some space on your system drive and try building again. 6. Corrupted project files. Occasionally, project files themselves can become corrupted. Try creating a fresh Flutter project and then carefully copying over your code into the new project. This helps isolate whether the error stems from your code or a problem with the project files. 7. Proxy server issues. If you are behind a proxy server, Gradle might have trouble connecting to download necessary resources. Check your Android Studio settings to correctly configure your proxy settings, or try temporarily disabling your proxy to see if that resolves the issue. 8. Outdated Flutter version. A stale Flutter version might have compatibility issues. Run Flutter upgrade in your terminal to upgrade Flutter to the latest stable version. 9. Incorrect manifest file. Rarely, a problem in your Android manifest.xml file might cause the error. Double-check that this file is correctly formatted and contains the necessary information. If you've tried all these steps and still encounter the error, provide the full error message in your terminal output. Often this provides valuable clues to narrow down the problem further. Remember to restart Android Studio after making any significant changes to the project or environment settings.